good night. Welcome to my channel. My name is Afton and today I'll be making some chicken burger and some beef burger. So let me just show you my ingredients. So here we go. Okay, this is the beef and this is the chicken. I probably might get about 3 beef burger with this and about 2 chicken burger with this. Here are my ingredients. I'm using the Maggie's all-purpose seasoning. I'm using the chicken seasoning. This is my egg. And this is my thyme, parsley, cubes, and some garlic. I'm also using this green seasoning and also some hot sauce, which mixed with some mustard. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna put 1 cube in the beef and 1 cube in the chicken. Also, I'm gonna put some garlic inside of the beef and some garlic inside of the chicken as well. Sorry about my long sleeve, guys. Okay, this is the thyme. I'm gonna put some thyme inside of it as well. Thyme in the chicken. This is some parsley cut up. I'm gonna put the parsley in the beef and some parsley in the chicken. So let me just empty out this as well and put some in the beef and some in the chicken. Okay, we have some chicken seasoning here. I'm gonna put about 1/4 teaspoon average here. Also, I'm gonna put some in the beef as well. Sorry for shaking, guys. This is the all-purpose seasoning here. I'm using all-purpose seasoning. Put a little bit there and also some here. Okay, we're gonna use this now, the mustard hot sauce mixed with some pepper. I'm gonna put some in the chicken here. It's gonna give the chicken burger a nice taste. And we're gonna put some in the beef as well. Okay, and we're gonna use some green seasoning here. So yeah, I put the green seasoning here. Oh my, and some green seasoning chicken. I'm multitasking, guys, so that's why the camera is shaking. Okay, and then we're gonna put our egg inside of the beef and some inside of the chicken. There we go. And then you're gonna mix everything up together. Mix up all the ingredients good. Okay, our chicken mince is well mixed up. Going over to the beef now and mix the beef up. Okay, so all my beef ingredients is well mixed up in here. So this is my pan here. I'm going to put some butter inside. Okay, I'm going to put some butter inside my pan here. Let it melt. So my butter is melted and I've made 1 beef burger ready. So I'm going to put it inside here. And I'm going to make another one here. Just make it like into a ball. Make it like into a ball, and then you just spin it around like this, and you just put it in. My burger's cooking about 3 minutes now, so I'm gonna flip this over like this. Perfect. And I'm gonna flip the other one over as well, like this. Perfect. And cook it for another 3 minutes as well. Okay, so my burger's been cooking about 4 minutes on this side, so we're gonna flip it over back one more time like this. Good. And another flip like that. Perfect. So you're gonna hang it for about 2 or 3 more minutes as well. Okay, my burgers are done, so I'm gonna take them out now and put them in the plate. This is one beef burger here, and this is the second beef burger. Okay, so let's go and make the patty for the chicken burger now. So I just add some more butter in the pan, and I'm making the ball now for my chicken burger. Okay, I just put my chicken burgers in the pan here. So, and I put a little bit more butter. So it's gonna cook. I'm gonna leave it to cook for about 3 minutes, and then I'll come back. Okay, my burger has been cooking for about 3 minutes now, so I'm gonna turn them now. Sorry about the noise, it's my son. Okay, we're gonna turn the chicken burger now, flip it over. Wow, that's perfect. See how juicy and nice. Okay, we're gonna flip the other burger. Flip it over. Yeah, perfect. Looks so delicious. Just press it down a little bit, and you let this other side cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, my burger has been cooking on 5 minutes on this side, so it's finished now. I'm gonna clean off the little butter off of it and put it in the plate with the beef. So we have drain off this other one here and put it in the plate with the beef. So we have 2 chicken burger and 2 beef burger patties. Okay, so my burgers are finished, so I'm gonna do my bread now. So I wash my pan, and I'm gonna put some butter in the pan now. Yeah. Put my butter like this. Yeah. Now I'm gonna put my bread inside the hot pan with the butter like this. Sorry, like this. So my bread is gonna be crispy and nice. This is some white bread with some sesame seed on it. Leave it about 2 minutes or so on each side. Okay, so my bread have been toasting in the butter on the stove, so I'm gonna turn it over. Let the outside get a little toast as well, like this. You see how it gets a little, it's a little crispy as well, and have the nice butter taste. And it's stiff. I like my bread stiff and hot like that. So you leave this about a minute or 2. Okay, so my 2 bread is finished toasting, so I'm gonna pack the meat on it now. Okay, let's start putting the lettuce on the bread. Sorry about the background noise, guys. It's my son. And we're gonna put the beef on there. and the beef one here. I'm gonna put the chicken one here and the chicken here. Yeah, and we're gonna put our ketchup. I'm not putting any cheese, guys, okay? No cheese today. So we're gonna put some ketchup, some mustard pepper, because I don't have the normal mustard, so I'm gonna use a little bit of the, ooh, that's a lot, mustard pepper, but I love pepper anyhow. And we're gonna put some mayonnaise. Yeah, some mayonnaise like that. Mayonnaise like that. Perfect. What I normally do, I like to just mix all up together like this. Yeah, I like to mix everything up together like this. And then do the same thing here. Just mix everything up a little bit. Get on each side. Yeah, perfect. And then I don't like tomatoes, so we're just gonna put some cucumber only. And some cucumber. Okay. This other one is toasting as well. So yeah. So I'm gonna close it like this. Press down a little bit. And this one I'm gonna close like this. Press down a little bit. So this is the finished product of the Guyanese burger. This one is the chicken burger, and this one is the beef burger. The cucumber falling down. So this is the chicken burger and this is the beef burger. So I hope you guys enjoy my recipe, and I'll be making more videos soon, so bear with me, guys. So hope you guys have a good night and enjoy this wonderful recipe. On the left is the chicken burger, on the right is the beef burger. So hope you guys like my video. Comment something beautiful down below and give me a thumbs up. And thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, guys. Bye.